What's up, guys? This is Gabe from S&P Speed Innovations, and today we're doing a product overview on our 2RZ 3RZ adapter harness kit for the 97 to 2000. Now this is the first gen Tacoma, the 2-coil combination. You have to make sure you have 2 coils for this, not a distributor, not the 4-coil, but this is for the first gen Tacoma, 2RZ, 3RZ, 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. Make sure it's a manual transmission application. So how this works is pretty basic and simple. Your factory engine harness plugs into your factory ECU. So you have to unplug your factory ECU and take your factory harness and plug it right into our adapter here. In-house, we make this in-house. From there, Haltech computer plugs right into here. Pretty simple. And then our Haltech Wideband plugs into the adapter harness, which plugs into the ECU, and we have a map sensor hose, which plugs into the ECU and plugs into the intake manifold. So, product overview: this kit comes with an adapter harness, an Elite 550, pre-programmed with a startup tune. Remember, this is a startup tune, not your drive tune. This is your the EFI order form that you guys submit. This gives me all of that information so that I can program the best startup tune that we can to get you started and running. This is just to get you up and down the road. This is just to get you in and out of the garage, on and off a trailer. It's not your drive tune. It's just a startup tune. It's not a burnout. Don't do a big fat burnout. It's not what it's designed for. It's just a startup tune. So, Haltech ECU, or Haltech WB1 Wideband. We use a Haltech WB1 Wideband because the Haltech ECU is designed to work for this sensor and this module, so we get the best speed and accuracy when it comes down to reading the O2 sensors, reading the exhaust system. So, very basic system. Your factory harness plugs into here. This plugs into the Haltech ECU. Vacuum line plugs right into the internal map sensor, which is good for 43 pounds of boost for those that like to party. The other side of it has to go into the intake manifold. Now this has got to go into the manifold or below the supercharger. It cannot go into the throttle body. This is not designed to go into the throttle body. It doesn't read correctly in the throttle body. So if it's a turbo or an naturally aspirated situation, please make sure this goes into the plenum of the intake manifold, not the throttle body. If it's a supercharger application, there is an intake runner. Number 1 or number 2 intake runner has an 1/8 inch NPT. Now, normally you put a vacuum line on it and you put a T into it. One would go to here. One part of the T would go to this map sensor hose. The other part will go to your fuel pressure regulator, so your fuel pressure will increase with boost. And then from there, this plugs into the adapter harness here. That's the CAN bus communication. This is the CAN bus communication cable. It can plug into either one of these ports. It does not matter. If you do a Haltech IC7 or IC10, that would plug into there. And then this just plugs right into the O2 sensor. So very basic and simple. We supply all of our kits with a air temperature sensor. This air temperature sensor gets mounted preferably in your intake manifold, and if it doesn't come into your intake manifold, then it's real basic and simple. It can go into the you can put that into the intake tube right before the throttle body, as long as it's in the airstream after boost. That is the preferred way to do it. Before boost, if it's a supercharger you put in your intake tube, you're not going to read that correctly. Now, all of our kits are upgradable to a multi-coil kit, right? So you unplug this, and then our multi-coil race coil setup plugs right into here. And when it plugs directly into here, that goes right out to the coils and relay and everything. It's a completely different product, but you can upgrade from your stock coils into 4 race coils. Pretty simple and cool. We make it as cool as possible and upgradable as possible. So that's it. It's a product overview. That is the entire kit right there. That is the adapter, the ECU, the air temperature sensor, the vacuum hose, That is the WB1 wideband module and sensor. Remember, the ECU is preloaded with the startup tune. Please don't forget to do all that stalker stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us, all that cool stuff. And please drop a comment in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see. We're trying to come out with new content. We're trying to come up with new technical videos, how-tos, how to calibrate throttle positioning sensor and stuff like that. So if there's something you'd like to see, please let us know. Thank you very much and have a great day.